Welcome to Middle School Extensions. Our first activity is air cannons. The materials needed are cup, rubber bands, balloon, and scissors.
Alrighty, so for the very first part of this, we want to make sure that we have a paper cup and that we have a hole in the paper cup. So make sure that when your students do this part, they are cautious of stabbing themselves or causing any kind of issues when they're making the cut with the scissors. But once you have this part completed, you then have to get your balloon and make sure that you cut off the skinny part of it, which is going to be this part here. Once you have that cut, like so, we can then stretch this part out over the top part of the cup here. Alrighty, so then once we have the balloon placed on top of the paper cup, we're then going to get both of our rubber bands and we're going to place them on the top area here, like so. You're just gonna wrap it around like that twice, or put two of them on there twice, like that. And then they should be able to pull this part back and have it act out and push air through like that. For demonstration, we can then pull this part back and...
Our next activity is physics of origami.
So first you're going to get your origami paper and you're going to fold it horizontally and vertically so that it creates 4 even section quadrants in the paper. After that's done, you're then going to fold over the corners to the center fold. Once that's done, you're then going to flip the paper over and then you're going to fold the top and bottom parts to center fold. Once that's done, you're then going to do the same folding to center fold on the other side of the paper and then unfold again. Once that's done, you're then going to unfold the other sides when you flip the paper over and then fold over the top and bottom again. From there, you're then going to want to pinch some of the corners to create a box-like shape. You do this by folding the top part about 90 degrees and then doing the same on both sides. Then you'll be able to fold over the top flap on both sides, which will then create the box.
Our last activity is science graphic novel.
Alrighty, so for this one, this is simply the comic book activity that you can choose to do. We recommend that you do it sometime after week 5 or during week 5 after multiple topics have already been introduced. That way they can make their own scientific comic book or manga based off of one of those scientific concepts. So at this point, they should be introduced to gravity, they should be introduced to center of mass, they should be introduced to a decent amount of Newton's laws at this point. So they should be able to make their own comic books based off of those things. You can also be flexible in the classroom to have them make certain comic books about other kinds of scientific topics if it interests them as well. But generally, this is just a creative activity for those who are more creative minded in your classroom that may want to have an artistic assignment.